let's be real for a second. The dream isn't actually working. The dream is having the money to not work. We've all seen those hustle culture videos where some guy tells you to wake up at 4 a.m., take a cold shower, and work 16 hours a day on a dropshipping store. Honestly, that sounds exhausting. It's 2026. If you're still trading every single waking hour for a paycheck, you're doing it the hard way.
Today, I want to talk about the lazy way. Now, when I say lazy, I don't mean doing nothing. I mean high leverage. I mean setting up systems that do the heavy lifting for you while you're sleeping, traveling, or, let's be honest, just binge watching a series on your couch. We're aiming for that sweet spot of $100 a day. It's not retire on a private island money, but $3,000 a month extra, that changes your life. That pays the mortgage, the car note, and the grocery bill without you touching your main salary. So if you're tired of the grind and you want to see how the internet is actually handing out money in 2026 to people who are smart lazy, let's dive into these 7 methods.
Method number 1, the AI faceless content farm. Remember when YouTube required a fancy camera, a studio, and you actually showing your face? That's ancient history. In 2026, some of the biggest channels on this platform aren't run by creators, they're run by directors using AI. Here's the lazy play. You pick a boring but high-paying niche like luxury travel or financial news. You use a tool to generate a script based on trending news, use a high-quality AI voiceover that sounds 100% human, and use generative video tools to create the visuals. You aren't filming, you aren't editing for 10 hours, you're basically a manager of AI tools. Once a video is up, it's an asset that earns ad revenue forever. 3 or 4 of these channels running at once, $100 a day becomes the floor, not the ceiling. Method number 2, digital land rental. No, I'm not talking about the metaverse. I'm talking about simple, one-page rank and rent websites. Here's how it works. You build a very basic website for a local service that people always need. Think emergency plumbing in Austin or tree trimming in Orlando. You optimize it so it shows up on Google. Once it starts getting calls or leads, you don't do the plumbing. You rent that site to a local business owner who actually does the work but is too busy to handle marketing. They pay you a monthly fee just to keep their phone ringing. It's the ultimate lazy income because once the site is ranked, you literally don't have to touch it for months at a time. It's like being a landlord, but without the leaking pipes and the tenants calling you at 2 a.m.
Method number 3, print-on-demand ghost stores. The old way of selling shirts was buying inventory and shipping boxes from your garage. Forget that. In 2026, the lazy way is using AI to spot trending memes or aesthetics. You generate a design in 5 seconds, upload it to a provider, and link it to your store. You never touch a single piece of fabric. The ghost part? You use AI-driven Pinterest or TikTok accounts to post the designs for you. When someone buys, the provider prints it and ships it. You just collect the margin. If you find one winning design that hits a trend, it can easily generate $100 a day in profit while you're out doing literally anything else.
Method number 4, automated dividend and yield farming. Now, this one requires a little bit of seed money, but it's the definition of lazy. We are in a new era of finance in 2026 where yield apps and high dividend ETFs have become incredibly accessible. Instead of picking individual stocks like a stressed out day trader, you put your money into automated income funds. These funds are designed to do one thing: spit out cash every month. Whether the market goes up or down, these assets pay you for just owning them. If you've been saving money in a bank account that pays 0.01% interest, you're letting the bank be lazy with your money. It's time to flip the script and let that money work for you. Method number 5, the micro SaaS owner. You don't need to be a coder to own software anymore. In 2026, no-code tools are so advanced that you can build a small app that solves one tiny problem, like a caption generator for realtors or a meal planner for keto dieters. You build it once, or you hire a freelancer to build it for a few $100, and then you charge a $10 monthly subscription. You only need 300 users to make $3,000 a month. That's 10 people a day. In a world of 8 billion people, finding 300 to solve a specific annoyance? That's the lazy entrepreneur's dream.
Method number 6, high-ticket digital brokering. This is for the people who are good at connecting dots but don't want to do the work. There are thousands of businesses looking for expensive services: SEO, video editing, ad management. On the other side, there are thousands of talented freelancers. You act as the middleman. You find the client, you outsource the work to a trusted pro, and you keep the middleman fee. If you land one client paying $3,000 a month for a service, and you pay a freelancer $1,500 to do it, you just made $50 a day for sending a few emails. 2 clients, and you've hit your $100 goal. You're not the worker, you're the bridge.
Method number 7, selling canned knowledge. Everyone knows something that someone else is willing to pay for. Maybe you're good at Excel, or you know how to train a dog, or you're great at organizing a kitchen. The lazy way to sell this is not coaching. Coaching is trading time for money. The lazy way is creating a digital vault, a PDF, a short video series, or a set of templates. You build it once, you put it behind a paywall for $20. Now you just need $500 mark. You spend your time living your life, while your knowledge sells itself 24/7 on autopilot.
Here's the truth that most people won't tell you. The reason people don't make $100 a day online isn't because it's hard. It's because they get overwhelmed trying to do everything at once. If you want to survive the economy in 2026, you have to stop thinking that hard work is the only way to earn. Hard work is for people who don't have a system. The laziest people I know are actually the most disciplined when it comes to setting up their automation. They spend 1 week working like crazy to build the machine, so they can spend the rest of the year watching it run. My advice? Don't try to do all 7 of these. You'll just burn out and end up back at square one. Pick one, the one that made you say, wait, I could actually do that. Spend the next 30 days focusing on nothing but that one method. The internet is a giant ATM, but you need to know the code, and the code is usually simpler than you think. It's not about how many hours you put in, it's about how much value you can provide without being there physically. So, which one are you going to pick? Are you going to keep trading your life for a paycheck? Or are you going to start building your own lazy empire? The tools are there, the AI is ready. The only thing missing is you actually taking that first step. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 7 methods you want me to deep dive into in the next video. I want to see you guys actually winning this year. Thanks for watching, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.